Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box, there is some mystery math, and your challenge is to figure out what that is. Use the link in the description, try out as many numbers as you like, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. Okay, so we've got -3 2/3 there, 3.6 repeating. Let's try a 1. Well, looks like we've gone down another third, so we're right at -4. How about a 2? It looks like we've gone down another 1/3, so we're at -4.3. So we might have a line here. How about let's try something pretty far out on the positive, see if this continues. So oh no, okay, so we did not get that. So I was thinking this was a linear function, but suddenly we're up again. So this makes me think this is probably an absolute value function. So let's try to find our vertex in here. Let's keep going to the left, maybe a 4. And with 4, we're down at -5. How about a 5? Yeah, and with 5, we're heading back up again, and it went up by a third again. So we were at -5, and we went up to -4 2/3. So I think we've got what we need to figure this one out. So this does look like absolute value. So f of x equals, and it's got a multiplier on it. This is a lot wider than you'd expect. We can figure out that multiplier by looking at the slopes of these lines. And this one looks like it's sloping down at a rate of 1/3 for every step over. So our slope would be -1/3 there, and the slope would be a +1/3 here. When we go from 4 to 5, we go up 1/3. So I think our slope here is going to be 1/3. I know it's not, or our multiplier is 1/3. I know it's not a -1/3 because this is an upward opening absolute value function. The v opens upward, so it's going to be a positive value here. And then, if this were here at the origin, it would just be absolute value of x. But it's not. It's been moved over 4, so 4 in a positive direction there, and then down 5, so a -5 there. That -5 part, that's the easiest. It's just on the very end, outside of the brackets. You just subtract that 5. For this, moving it to the right here, we actually have to use the opposite sign inside the brackets, so x minus 4. And I think that should be it. This is 1/3 times the absolute value of x minus 4 minus 5. Let's go ahead and reveal that and see if we're right. Yep, there it is, and we can graph that as well. So that is the absolute 1/3 the absolute value of x minus 4 minus 5. Well, how did that go for you? Were you thinking a linear function like I was, or did you see that it was going to be absolute value? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.